Secure your digital life with Norton AntiVirus, the ultimate cybersecurity solution. Welcome to our video on Norton AntiVirus, the essential cybersecurity solution to protect your devices and personal data in today's digital landscape. In this ever-evolving world where we rely on our laptops, smartphones, and tablets for work, entertainment, and managing our personal affairs, the need for robust and reliable antivirus protection has never been greater. Norton AntiVirus has been a trusted name in the cybersecurity industry for decades, offering comprehensive protection against a wide range of online threats, including viruses, malware, ransomware, and identity theft. As our digital lives continue to expand, it's crucial to have a security suite that keeps pace with the constantly evolving tactics of cybercriminals. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features and capabilities of Norton AntiVirus, explore the benefits it offers, and discuss why it should be a must-have for anyone looking to safeguard their digital ecosystem. Whether you're an individual user or responsible for protecting an entire household or small business, this video will equip you with the knowledge to make an informed about the right antivirus solution for your needs. What is Norton AntiVirus? At its core, Norton AntiVirus is a comprehensive security suite designed to protect your devices, data, and online activities from a wide range of cyber threats. Developed by Symantec, a global leader in cybersecurity, Norton AntiVirus utilizes advanced AI-powered technology to detect, block, and remove malicious software in real time. One of the key features that sets Norton AntiVirus apart is its multi-layered approach to security. It not only scans for and eliminates known viruses and malware, but also employs behavioral analysis to identify and neutralize emerging and unknown threats. This proactive approach ensures that your devices are safeguarded against the latest cyber attacks, even before they become widely known. Moreover, Norton AntiVirus goes beyond traditional antivirus protection, offering a suite of additional security tools and features. These include a robust firewall to monitor and control internet traffic, identity theft protection to safeguard your personal and financial information, and advanced web monitoring capabilities to alert you to potentially dangerous websites and online activities. With seamless across multiple devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, Norton AntiVirus provides a unified security solution for your entire digital ecosystem. This allows you to manage and monitor the security of all your devices from a single, user-friendly interface, ensuring a consistent and comprehensive level of key of Norton AntiVirus. One of the primary reasons why Norton AntiVirus is considered a leading antivirus solution is its extensive range of features designed to address the evolving cybersecurity landscape. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make Norton AntiVirus stand out. Virus and malware protection. At the core of Norton AntiVirus is its advanced virus and malware detection and removal capabilities. Utilizing a combination of signature-based scanning and behavioral analysis, the software is able to identify and eliminate a wide range of known and unknown threats, including viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware. The real-time protection feature ensures that your devices are constantly monitored and safeguarded against these malicious entities. Identity theft protection. In an age where cybercriminals are increasingly targeting personal and financial information, Norton AntiVirus offers robust identity theft protection. This feature monitors your credit reports, public records, and the dark for any suspicious activity or potential data breaches that could compromise your identity. If any issues are detected, the software provides step-by-step guidance to help you mitigate the damage and restore your identity. Firewall and network protection. Norton AntiVirus includes a comprehensive firewall that controls the flow of internet traffic to and from your devices. This helps to prevent unauthorized access, block malicious connections, and protect your network from potential threats. Additionally, the software provides advanced network protection, ensuring that your devices are secure when connected to public Wi-Fi networks or other untrusted networks. Parental controls and web monitoring. For families or individuals with children, Norton AntiVirus offers a suite of parental control features to help monitor and manage online activities. These include the ability to filter an access to inappropriate or potentially harmful websites, set time limits for device usage, and receive alerts about concerning online behavior. Cloud backup and PC optimization. To ensure the integrity of your important data, Norton AntiVirus integrates seamless cloud backup capabilities, allowing you to securely store and retrieve your files in the event of a device failure or data loss. Additionally, the software includes tools to optimize your device's performance, freeing up storage space and improving overall system efficiency. Benefits of using Norton AntiVirus. By utilizing the comprehensive suite of features offered by Norton AntiVirus, users can enjoy a wide range of benefits that contribute to a more secure and efficient digital experience. Some of the key advantages of using Norton AntiVirus include comprehensive protection. With its multi-layered approach to security, Norton AntiVirus provides robust protection against a diverse array of cyber threats, including viruses, malware, ransomware, and identity theft. This holistic security solution helps to safeguard your devices, personal data, and online activities, giving you peace of mind in an increasingly digital world. Improved device performance. Norton AntiVirus not only protects your devices from threats but also includes optimization tools to enhance their overall. By freeing up storage space, managing resource-intensive processes, and addressing system vulnerabilities, the software helps to ensure your devices run smoothly and efficiently. Simplified security management. With the ability to manage and monitor the security of all your devices from a single, user-friendly interface, Norton AntiVirus simplifies the process of maintaining a secure digital ecosystem. This streamlined approach allows you to easily track the status of your devices, receive alerts, and take immediate action to address any security concerns. Enhanced online safety. Through features like web monitoring, parental controls, and identity theft protection, Norton AntiVirus helps to create a safer online environment for you and your family. By proactively identifying and mitigating potential threats, the software enables you to browse, shop, and communicate with greater confidence and peace of mind. Pricing and availability. Norton AntiVirus is available in a range of plan options to suit the needs of individual users, households, and small businesses. The pricing structure is designed to be flexible and scalable, allowing you to choose the plan that best fits your specific requirements. For individual users, Norton AntiVirus plans start at $39.99 per year, providing protection for a single device. For households or small businesses, there are multi-device plans cover up to 10 devices, with prices ranging from $49.99 to $99.99 a year, depending on the level of coverage and additional features. Norton AntiVirus is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android, making it a versatile solution for users across various devices and platforms. The software can be easily downloaded and installed from the Norton website or through authorized retail partners, ensuring a seamless setup process. In conclusion, Norton AntiVirus is a comprehensive and reliable cybersecurity solution that should be an essential part of any individual's or organization's digital protection strategy. With its advanced features, robust protection capabilities, and user-friendly interface, Norton AntiVirus empowers users to take control of their online safety and safeguard their devices, data, and personal information from a wide range of cyber threats. As our reliance on technology and the internet continues to, the importance of having a trusted antivirus solution like Norton AntiVirus cannot be overstated. By investing in this software, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing your digital life is secure, allowing you to focus on the things that matter most. So, if you're looking to elevate your cybersecurity defenses and protect your digital ecosystem, we highly recommend considering Norton AntiVirus as your go-to solution. Try it today and experience the confidence and security that comes with having a trusted partner in your digital journey.